Hi John. Just want to put together a little video here to show you about layers and how they work. I have a verify tool, and if I click on this, of course it'll turn yellow, and then the cursor will follow that. And if you click on the individual entity, this is turned red. Well, then it highlights all of the different items over here on in the verify menu. If I click on this corner, you'll see that you watch the radius will change on it, and it tells you what that radius is on that corner. If you want to know what the radius is going across this arc, it tells you what that is, all depending on which one you click on. It'll tell you what the actual length of a line is, the start and end angle, all that type of stuff. And if I click on these circles, this is one that I drew, and if you look at the circle, the whole thing highlights and lights up. If I click on this item, you can see that it highlights the whole circle. And if I click on a line, it highlights the whole line. And if you look here, we got different layers. Now both of the layers are on here at the moment. If I go up here, it'll deselect everything. That's what this item does, is deselect all item entities. And then if I take off the upper spokes, if I turn the eye off, they all disappear. So if I want to do some assign some tool paths and everything, then all I have to select, like if I want to select certain items, I can go along here and select this, and these. Then if I want to perform a particular operation on it, I can do it. Okay, and then if I want to deselect them, I just go back up here like this. Or if I want to select everything, I could do this. Okay. The other thing I can do with layers, I can change the colors. Like if I want to turn this one on, I turn this one back on. I want to modify it. We'll do a select all. Okay. And if I do a modify, then I can take that layer and I can make it, say I'll make it green. Okay. So now I deselect it. Now all of these are green. Okay. Now I can tell the different layers. These spokes are green. The outside is blue. And if I made another layer, I could make it purple or brown or whatever it is, so it's easy to identify which items you're selecting. And that makes it a lot easier along the way. So if I turn off the top surface, I just want to select these, I can tell it to select all. Okay, and now it's selected all these. So if I want to do a particular machining operation, or if I want to do something to those, I can select the whole deal, which makes it pretty nice. And then we can turn this back on. We've got it. So that gives you an idea of what layers will do for you. And this will be a little test video to see how this works.